Hello everyone, welcome back to our PYK series Revised to ACE. And yes, we are going to discuss very important topic today, and this is about the locations which UPSC has asked in a recently conducted exam of CDS, that is in September 2022. So all the important locations, and that to the latest locations which were in news, UPSC has asked them in the recently conducted exam. So we will discuss them one by one, and then we will try to understand how to cover, what is the importance of these locations, and what should be your approach when you are preparing these locations in news. ठीक है, पता है यूपीएससी ने कैसे इसको पास्ट में पूछा है. पहले क्वेश्चन लेते हैं फिर समझते हैं. So the question is, the regions known as Donetsk and Luhansk are sometimes mentioned in news. They are the separatist regions of. अगर आप लोगों ने न्यूज़पेपर फरवरी से एक दो बार भी पढ़ा होगा और रशिया यूक्रेन को फॉलो किया होगा, इमीडिएटली विदाउट लुकिंग एट द ऑप्शंस यू विल मार्क द आंसर कि यूक्रेन इज द आंसर. ठीक है, या बी केयरफुल, ABCD क्या चूज कर रहे हो. सो हियर द आंसर इज यूक्रेन, नो डाउट अबाउट इट, बिकॉज वी हैव कम अक्रॉस दिस इंफॉर्मेशन मल्टीपल टाइम्स इन द न्यूज़पेपर. ठीक है, बट ये तो हो गया अबाउट दिस पर्टिकुलर इंफॉर्मेशन. But when we are preparing on what lines and what other related information we should know, that we will understand. Now these two locations in news, these two regions UPSC has already asked. The answer is C, Ukraine. एक बार देखते हैं, अभी इसका next level भी UPSC पूछ सकती है, because already इतने दिनों से war चल ही रही है. Now we will have a look. So this was in news since February, explained the crisis in Ukraine's Donbas region and why are the regions Donetsk and Luhansk critical in Ukraine-Russia standoff? Okay, and Minsk agreement also we have covered in our DIA prelims. If you have not read about it, please go and check the playlist. We have covered the Minsk agreement. Okay, if we talk about the locations which are mentioned, if we have to take, this is our Donetsk, and then we have Luhansk. Here it is with respect to these two, because of these two locations UPSC ने ये फ्रेम किया है. इसको थोड़ा और अच्छे से हमें पता होना चाहिए, like Kherson is there, Mariupol is there. ये भी locations, यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा locations हैं. Let's simplify it. So now if UPSC has to ask other locations, so सबसे पहले तो ये समझ लो, ये Donetsk और Luhansk जो हैं, these are controlled by Russia backed separatist. और जब वॉर आई तो यहाँ से लोगों ने इवैक्यूएशन, वहाँ के जो सेपरेटिस्ट ग्रुप थे, दे स्टार्टेड इवैक्यूएटिंग पीपल एंड दे स्टार्टेड सेंडिंग देम टू रशिया. उनको ये था कि यूक्रेन वॉर करेगा, यूक्रेन अटैक करेगा. सो ये दो लोकेशंस आपकी क्लियर हो गई. दिस लोकेशन वाज आल्सो इन न्यूज, खार्किव. सो ये भी आपको पता होना चाहिए रशिया यूक्रेन के रेस्पेक्ट में. देन यू शुड आल्सो नो अबाउट मैरियोपोल. दिस आल्सो इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट लोकेशन. If they give, okay, other than, let's say they are not giving Donetsk and Luhansk, they are giving these locations in news, then we should know where it is. And whatever is happening, Crimea, already Ukrainian territory, but annexed by Russia in 2014, and the Minsk agreement is related to that only. So, Sea of Azov के around सारी चीजें हो रही हैं. And here, Kyiv is the capital city and Moscow is the capital city of Russia and Ukraine respectively. ये कुछ locations add कर लो list में. Other than this, we have like जब ये 100 days से ज़्यादा war हो गया, कहाँ ये रशिया ने अटैक किया है, ये उसकी लोकेशन है. ठीक है, हमें वो सारी लोकेशंस जानने की जरूरत नहीं है, but few we should remember. So we have already seen this Donetsk, we have अभी तक याद हो गया. Then Luhansk, that also separatist groups हैं and they want to join with Russia. रशिया इसी को बोल रहा है कि भाई ये हमारे रीजन, हम एनेक्स करेंगे इसको, क्योंकि वहां पे जो लोग हैं दे आर प्रो रशिया सेपरेटिस्ट ग्रुप, सो दे आर डिमांडिंग कि उनको रशिया के साथ जाना है. देन हियर यूक्रेनियन टेरिटरी रिकॉग्नाइज्ड बाय पुतिन एज इंडिपेंडेंट. ठीक है, सो यहाँ पे भी वॉर चल रही है. खार्किव हमने देख ही लिया. मैरियोपोल वी हैव ऑलरेडी सीन, वी हैव एडेड टू द लिस्ट. This Kherson, here also war is going on. So it is here, this whole area has been occupied by the Russian troop. Red region, Russian troop has occupied. And the diamonds which you are seeing, these are the sites of the Russian attacks. So हमें history में नहीं जाना है, हमें dispute में नहीं जाना. We have to just remember the locations in mind. So Kharkiv, Luhansk, Donetsk, Mariupol, Kherson. And this location which I am going to tell now is very important because this was in news recently. This one, Odessa. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 locations at least. If you are making notes, make notes कि रशिया यूक्रेन के वॉर से रिलेटेड अगर मैच द फॉलोइंग आता है, why it were in news and where, then you should know where it is. Here, as you can see, Sea of Azov. So Russia, Ukraine around that. Crimea in the Black Sea. So when you are preparing this, now itself, you open your atlas and prepare the water bodies also. Black Sea, the countries surrounding the Black Sea. Countries around Sea of Azov. Like that you prepare it. Now itself. ठीक है? Odessa, why it was in news? This is a news from 26 January 2023. This is a news and it is a news because of this article. UNESCO has designated Ukraine's Odessa, which is already a World Heritage Site, into the danger list. Means World Heritage Site in danger. As a site in danger, they have recognized it. Because of the 11 months war which Russia invaded Ukraine 11 months ago. And lot of danger is there. So this city was very popular. Very popular. It is a port city. And as we have seen, ये Black Sea में जो है एक port city है. And it was known for its tourism. It is a World Heritage Site. ये Opera building, Opera House एक building है. This is the icon building of the site. It is very popular. And historical importance है इसकी, cultural importance है, tourism में attract करता है. But because of port, Black Sea में ही सारी war हो रही है. Black Sea को seize कर लिया गया है. Mines का use हो रहा है. So tourism अभी कौन जाएगा ऐसी जगह पे जहाँ पे लड़ाई है, tourism कहाँ जाएगा? So it is affecting the economy. It is the whole site is under threat. और रशिया ने कई बार अटैक भी किया है इस सिटी में. So Russia denounced the designation, saying the only threat to Odessa came from the nationalist regime in Ukraine. एक दूसरे पे blame game चल रहा है, but yes, that is the stand of UNESCO. UNESCO is saying कि भाई Ukraine's Odessa is a World Heritage Site, danger site. ठीक है? So remember this location as well. So what all we have done till now? We have covered the important cities, important locations in news with respect to Russia and Ukraine. थोड़ा बहुत हो गया. Now, when I was reading this article is mentioning this. Earlier, UNESCO inscribed the landmarks of the ancient kingdom of Saba, Marib in Yemen, and Rashid Karami International Fair, Tripoli in Lebanon, as the World Heritage Endangered Site. तो इस आर्टिकल को पढ़ के ये भी पता चला कि there are other sites, there are other World Heritage which are danger site. तो हमें वो भी करना important हो जाता है. It becomes our responsibility to cover it because it is in news. And that is how UPSC is framing questions. So now let's have a look at the Saba. So ancient kingdom of Saba in this Marib region. This is Marib. This is the map of Yemen. Yemen is surrounded on the east by Oman, Saudi Arabia, Red Sea, Gulf of Aden. Map अभी खोल के पढ़ लेना. ठीक है? That is the best way to cover the maps. Small bits pieces में cover कर लो, easily हो जाता है, otherwise नहीं होता है. And this is the ancient site of the kingdom of Saba. It was known for its irrigation. और ये फर्स्ट सेंचुरी बीसी से लाइक बहुत ही पुरानी सिटी है. एंड इट इज नोन फॉर इट्स द इरिगेशन सिस्टम, वाटर कंजर्वेशन सिस्टम. ठीक है, नॉट रिक्वायर्ड बिकॉज दे आर नॉट गोइंग टू अपीयर फॉर द येमेन्स सिविल सर्विसेज. तो हमें बेसिक बस जानना है कि येस इट इज इन न्यूज बिकॉज ऑफ इट हैज बीन पुट इनटू द डेंजर साइट लिस्ट बाय यूनेस्को. एंड द मैप व्हिच यू आर सीइंग हियर, The blue area basically वहां पे एक जो लड़ाई चल रही है, हाउथी रिबेलियन ग्रुप है. अलकायदा ने भी पार्टिसिपेट किया है. कुछ ग्रुप्स को सऊदी अरेबिया 2015 से इशू चल रहा है. सऊदी अरेबिया लेड है, यूएई लेड है, ईरान का सपोर्ट है. सो बहुत सारे रेबेल ग्रुप्स हैं, वहां पे लड़ाई चल रही है. ठीक है? सो हाउथी रिबेलियंस, उन लोगों ने ये कंट्रोल किया है. ठीक है? सो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस वी आर डिस्कसिंग एंड इट इज इन न्यूज, इट कैन बी आस्क्ड. रिमेंबर दैट. To simplify that further, here we have Red Sea, cover it. This is Horn of Africa. This is Gulf of Aden, Saudi Arabia. And the capital was Sana'a city. But This whole area has been green area has been controlled by Houthis now. So what Yemen has done, Yemen has shifted its capital temporarily to Aden. और मारीब हमने देखा, मारीब बिकॉज ऑफ दी साइट. इसमें बहुत सारे साइट्स हैं, सारे याद रखने की जरूरत नहीं है. सना, मारीब, एडन एंड दिस Hodeidah. Hodeidah is Yemen's largest port and the main gateway for food, fuel and humanitarian aid. ठीक है, सो ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. 4 cities, 4 locations in Yemen. And remember this Bab el-Mandeb Strait. This is very important for the connectivity. ठीक है, it is one of the choke point of the Indian Ocean. So this also we have covered. And recently it was in news because United Nations has estimated that the war which is going on from last 7 years has killed almost more than 3.7 lakh people, 3,77,000 people, and 70% of them are children dying out of hunger. And directly and indirectly through hunger and disease, 70% of those deaths are of children. Very sad. लेकिन यही है, समझने वाली बात है. Another location which was in news here is Rashid Karami International Fair, Tripoli, Lebanon. So Tripoli, Lebanon में है. उसके लिए कुछ मैप वगैरह नहीं देखेंगे, बस पता है it is in Lebanon and वहाँ पे भी war issues चल रहे हैं, civil war हो रहा है. So because of that it is in news and this is very important architecture जो अभी incomplete है. एक international fair का एक site है, वो भी complete नहीं हो पाया. Okay, so this is from the article which was in news with respect to Ukraine, with respect to World Heritage Sites in danger. Now revisiting the question again, if we revisit the question again, the regions, we know the answer is Ukraine. But why UPSC has given in the answer, in the options, Ethiopia? We have already discussed that whenever we are covering the questions, we should cover it in 360-degree manner. Ethiopia. So Ethiopia, Sudan, जो भी इसमें दिया हुआ है, Yemen we have already covered. ठीक है? So Yemen we have covered. Other 2 options which are given, this is the map of Africa. We read about Horn of Africa. तो Horn of Africa को आपको पढ़ लेना है. That Eritrea, Djibouti, Somalia, Ethiopia, these are the countries which are known as the Horn of Africa. This you should know. Other than Horn of Africa, why we are discussing Ethiopia is because Ethiopia is in news because of the civil war. So this northern part of Ethiopia, which is controlled by Tigray, here is one location, Mekele. ये न्यूज में रहता है, इसलिए आपको पता होना चाहिए. एरिट्रिया में एक लोकेशन है अस्मारा, वो भी न्यूज में रहता है बिकॉज तिग्रे नदर्न मोस्ट हैं, वो कंट्रोल कर रहे हैं, वहां पे कुछ सिविल वॉर चल रहा है, वहां के इश्यूज चल रहे हैं. इससे बगल में एरिट्रिया को भी इश्यूज हो रहे हैं. सो दीज 2 लोकेशंस यू हैव टू टेक फ्रॉम यूथोपिया, मेकले एंड अस्मारा. दे आर इन न्यूज बिकॉज ऑफ और वेयर और मैच द फॉलोइंग, यू शुड नो. ये लोकेशन हो गया हमारा यूथोपिया का. ठीक है, and with this we finish today's video because the purpose is to make you understand the locations in news. And the way we have covered is, first we have taken the options, we have taken the question which was in news, we have covered the other updates from the Ukraine country, the Ukraine-Russia issue. We have taken Ethiopia, we have covered, and there was a site which was in news recently, and in that article, whatever information was given with respect to Yemen, that also we have covered, and all were there in the options which was given by UPSC. This is how you should prepare. This is one. Second, whenever you are preparing, उसके in and around की जो water bodies हैं, Black Sea, Red Sea, ठीक है, Bab el-Mandeb Strait, Gulf of Aden, ये सारे cover कर लेना. There will be no one fine day that you will sit and you will cover everything. So this is the opportunity for you. Cover it now itself. Okay? So this is how you should prepare the locations in news. जो भी UPSC ने अभी recently exam में पूछा है. So it is very important, and in civil services also they have been asking like this. They will give match, correct match. They will ask the capital cities, Central Asia के, Southeast Asia के, arrange north to south, east to west. तो ये सब थोड़ा ध्यान रखना है. ठीक है. होप यू ऑल एंजॉयड द सीरीज, सॉरी द लेक्चर सीरीज. तो अभी चलेगी मे तक, एंड add on like this in bits and pieces. You should shape your, you should train yourself that how to think, how to process, how to collect information. Okay, see you all, revise well and take care of your health. Bye bye.